thunderstorm warning for Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, Forest County in northwest Pennsylvania, Jefferson County in west central Pennsylvania, eastern Venango County in northwest Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 10 miles northwest of Kellettville to Sligo, and were moving east at 55 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Freiburg, Knox, Sligo, Clarion, Kellettville, Balltown, Limestone, Cook Forest Estate Park, Redcliffe, Marionville, Lynch, Somerville. This is a dangerous line of storms and has a history of producing widespread wind damage. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at North Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Forest and Jefferson. The National Weather